Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a fantastic journal app available on iOS 17.2. In this tutorial, we'll learn to use how to use this app, explore its features and see how it can help improve your daily routine. So let's get started. First, let's open the App Store and search for Journal app. This app is available on iOS 17.2 and is very user-friendly. Download it and install it. After installation, open the app. When you open it for the first time, you'll need to grant some permissions like notification and location access. Allow these permissions so that the app can function correctly. Now you can also create your account. Once your account is created, the app will guide you through some basic instructions and features. You can skip this or read through them to get a better understanding of what the app offers. This is app's home screen. Here you can make your daily journal entries. You can click on the plus icon and here you can add new entry. Here in the bottom bar, you can see various options like putting pictures, reminders, and many more. Here, besides text, you can add a photo to your entry to make it more personal. The app has also some advanced features. For example, you can tag your entries to make searching easier later. You can also put your voice recording, also add some locations. You can tag your entries with specific labels like travel, work, personal, etc. This app syncs your entries through iCloud so you don't have to worry about losing your data. You can enable iCloud Sync in the settings. With iCloud Sync on, all your entries are safely backed up and can be accessed from any device. So friends, that was our tutorial on the journal app for iOS 17.2. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.